This method can help answer the question of how to improve the combustion performance of grains. The main advantages of this protocol is that the helical structure of fuel grains will not disappear with the combustion process. This method can also be applied to grain forming with different material combinations such as ABS and PUX.
Begin by preparing the acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, or ABS substrate using 3D software. Save the 3D substrate structure as an STL file, then open the 3D slicing software and import the structure. Click Start Slicing and select Speed Print Mode from the main template. Double-click Speed, then change the infill density to 100% and select Raft with Skirt for the platform edition. Click Save and Close, and then click Slice. Turn on the 3D printer and import the ABS substrate slice file. Set the temperature of the heated bed and nozzle to 100 and 240 degrees Celsius respectively. Click Start to print after stabilization. To ensure successful printing, apply solid glue to the hot plate to increase the adhesion between the ABS substrate and the hot plate. For paraffin-based fuel preparation, prepare raw materials of paraffin, polyethylene wax, stearic acid, ethylene vinyl acetate, and carbon powder. Configure the paraffin-based fuel according to manuscript directions and place the configured materials into the melt mixer. Then melt and stir them until complete.